Want to convert images, PDFs, or even videos on your Mac without installing anything? Here's how to do it. First, convert images. Open any image. Now go to File and then Export. Here, choose a new format like HEIC, PDF, PNG, or even TIFF. After that, click Save. Done in seconds. Now go to the saved location. As you can see, the image has been saved as PNG. Now, let's convert PDFs to images. Open the PDF in Preview. Go to File. Here, click on Export. Select JPEG or PNG, perfect for sharing or uploading without the full PDF file. The PDF file was converted into JPEG. Lastly, let's convert videos with QuickTime. Open your video in QuickTime Player. Go to File. Next, choose Export As. Select 4K, 1080p, 720p, or even just audio. It's quick, lightweight, and no third-party app is needed. For more hidden Mac tricks, subscribe.